Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Alex Bell, and welcome back to the channel where I share the best Twitch tutorials to help you grow smarter. Today is March 25th, 2026, and in this video, we're answering a very important question. Can you actually get banned for Twitch viewbotting in 2026? If you're a streamer trying to grow fast, or you've thought about using viewbots even once, you need to watch this. What is viewbotting? So first, let's quickly understand what viewbotting really is. Viewbotting means artificially increasing your live stream viewers using bots or fake traffic. It might make your stream look popular, but those viewers are not real people. And honestly, it might seem tempting, especially when you're stuck at 1-2 viewers. Is it allowed in 2026? Short answer, no. Twitch has made it very clear in 2026 that viewbotting is strictly against their rules. Their systems are now way more advanced than before. They track things like sudden spikes in viewers, fake engagement patterns, repetitive or bot-like activity. So even if you think you're being smart, chances are you're already flagged. What happens if you get caught? Now here's the real risk. If Twitch detects viewbotting, you could face temporary suspension, permanent ban removal from affiliate or partner program, loss of all your progress, and yes, this is happening more often in 2026 than ever before. Even small streamers are getting caught. Is there any safe way? Let's be real. There is no 100% safe way to use viewbots. Some services claim they are undetectable, but Twitch keeps updating its detection systems. So what worked in the past does not work anymore. Better alternative, real growth. Instead of risking your account, focus on real growth strategies, consistent streaming schedule, engaging with chat posting clips on social media, playing trending or niche games. It's slower, but it's safe and sustainable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Twitch growth tips. I'll see you in the next one.